Hi friends, how are you? I hope all you are doing well and stay with joy. This time, our local area, this is a beautiful place, beautiful scenarios. You can watch now with me. This time, summer season is going at this area. Summer season has been started already for 25 days. You this time can listening some Kakkuj song because if summer season has been started but Kakkuj already sings their song in springtime. So although spring season has been completed, summer season has been starting for 20 days, yet Kakkuj to hear to hearing their song in our local areas men. As their summer season is going right now, sometime rain is coming around in the evening time. Every day weather is being very bad. So yesterday rain is happened little bit. So for this reason our local areas weather has been some cold. It it is making us little bit cold feeling. So weather is good, environment is not more irritating condition. So I want to say one thing. This all kind of situation I have said by speaking English, by English speech. If you want to be a good English speaker, fluent English speaker, so don't waste your valuable time. So many people, so many teachers, so many coach have said that basic grammar rules, no need to learn spoken English. Any kind of grammar rules, no need to speak spoken English. But I never say this speech. I all time, I always to, I always say to you, basic grammar rule and normal grammar rule. More important to speak English. Without any basic grammar rule, without any normal grammatical rule, you could not speak spoken English. You won't be a fluent speaker. You could not be a good English speaker. So if you want to be a good English speaker, mostly you have to learn grammatical rules, basic grammatical rules. But what kind of grammatical rules I have to learn there? What kind of normal grammar rules I have to take at first. At first, I would say tense. You have to learn three types of tense. Without tense, you won't construct any single sentences. Without any basic grammar rules. Without past tense, present tense, and future tense, you will be not able to build a single sentences. So at first tense, all kinds of tenses knowledge you have to earn in your spoken English journey. And second rules is passive voice. You have to learn this passive voice in your spoken English journey, because passive and active, these two kind of sentences will make you sure which condition, which duration, and which thought you will explain. They are subject and object. Sometime object will be more important, sometime without subject, object will be more important. So this kind of situation, to understand, you have to learn passive voice and active voice. So voice change is more important to spoken English. Without any voice change knowledge, you will be not able to speak spoken English. So it was the second option, second rule, basic grammatical rules. Third, I will say grammatical rules will be modal verbs. You have to have little bit knowledge of all kinds of modal verbs. Without any knowledge, minimum knowledge about modal verbs, you could not speak spoken English. Modal verbs all time could explain overthinking, hypothetical thinking, and non-practical thinking. So practical and non-practical, you have to speak English practical or non-practical. Practical situation could be explained by academically or ethically, and all kind of emotion, all kind of imagine, all kind of hypothetical thinking, you have to explain using by modal verbs. So without using of all kinds of modal verb, you could not speak any single sentences. You would not say speak spoken English according to you with a flow. So these three rules, basic grammatical rules, mostly you have to learn a little bit. Without this kind of grammatical rules, you would not speak spoken English. If you have learned these three type grammatical rules, then automatically other normal grammatical rules will become little by little in your mind in a normal way. So without any hesitation, without any critical thinking, you have to learn mastly these three kind of basic grammatical rules. So I don't want to do long this video. That what I would say every time. To get this kind of more video, do subscribe, comment and share this video, and do your valuable comment in comment box. So stay good, stay healthy, and stay with me. See you in the next video.